Round of applause to all of you. So every time you celebrate, every little thing that happened good. So that's the way you can always create energy. So that's how you have done 5 minutes to 7 minutes of exercise in the active visual of this. That's how it started. So how can I recognize this in the batch?
Team one.
Team one. Okay. Sure. So all of them know you.
We have to introduce them.
Yeah, quickly 30-second introduction.
Ashok from Rajalakshmi, Chennai.
Vijayaraman from JPR Chennai.
John from JPR Chennai.
Was from JPR Chennai. Praveen from Realtech Hightech Chennai.
Maria Michael Swasan from Radha Institute of Commerce.
No, I'll ask somebody. You are in this. So what is the name of the third professor? Sir, you don't share name. This guy. What is his name?
We need to train ourselves.
Now I introduce please I get a message back. Okay. So this will not be a repeated question next time. Go ahead, Professor. So what is one solution or 10 solutions, whatever it is there? So what of you can first define the problem. If there is a solution in that, please explain to them. And the third is ask if somebody has a question to see whether your application is right application for the university. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So, good evening everyone. Manual attendance in the classrooms. So that could be a tough job. Probably 50 minutes of lecture you want to consume at the max. So within 5 minutes or 10 minutes, if you are going to take attendance, that will not be a comfort one. That's the reason why we thought of a solution. So nowadays, government have given instruction to keep CCTV in the classrooms. So CCTV software can be customized in such a way that for every period, it will capture the image in the classroom, sends an Excel file which consists of the students who are present as well as students who are absent. The same thing can be used for consolidating the day attendance, monthly absentees who are less than 75%, and as well as second thing is any unusual activity from student side as well as from faculty side. From the student side, suppose if any sort of unnecessary things are going on in the class, that can be reported as a message to the administration immediately. Second thing, unusual activity from the faculty side. In the same classroom only they will sit for their examinations. In that case, first thing, in the student side, if they are going to involve in any malpractice, that can be tracked and can be informed to the chief superintendent of the examination. Second thing, in the examination hall, the faculty is going to use a mobile phone, so that can be tracked along with the time. That footage can be shared with the superintendent. So, just what we are planning.
Anybody want to add to this?
Yes. Any other inclusions?
No, first your team only. If they want to add, anybody want to add? If the professor has missed?
Please clearly explain.
Oh, very good. So round of applause. So the problem they are solving is attendance system in the current pattern. So therefore, any questions from anyone else? Yes, sir.
Well, as they mentioned the scope of the project, they mentioned their objective is attendance measurement, and second is like examination scenario. Both are different scenarios and both need different kind of model, training and data. So I think that needs to be clearly defined on how it would be implemented.
Now, AI in one's mind is different from AI in another mind.
Right.
So maybe they thought as a domain for them, absolutely interested.
Yeah.
So the suggestion is also very good because there are two different domains you are addressing. One is attendance in the classroom and attendance possibly in the examination. But beyond there always a machine which learns patterns.
Right.
That should be not a problem.
Right.
Is that okay?
Nice.
Sure. Any other questions? No more questions? Or you don't want them to ask you questions? Okay. So thank you so much for that. So you can please. Somebody I heard attendance. This is a bad. So please come. We will continue the attendance. You want to